Howdy, howdy. Well, I hope you brought your cow milking boots. Last time we were here, y'all can see over to the right. That's where the road was, and then I had to kind of make another path. I didn't make no road. But hey, look here, they've added some rocks, and it looks like they actually like placed it in there. I mean, they didn't pour a chunk of concrete and then it all just got ran over, but it looks like they took chunks and they placed it in there. I just don't. I guess I need to move that car. Woo! This place is going to be trashed when I get through with it. I mean, trashed. Hey, we got some crushing though. That's what counts. We got a bunch of junk. Dang! That's just like my pickup, except for extended cab. I mean, same pinstripes, same two-tone, same interior. Dang, I really needed that driver's fender. Dang, I got a buddy that does vinyl, that car wrap stuff, and I keep asking him like, hey man, can you just put a sticker on there for me? And my brother wrecked the truck. Well, someone hit him. Well, that's the story I got. Anyway, yeah, he ain't here to defend himself anymore, so I just get to tell the story the way I see it. Anyway, yeah, he called me up needing a bunch of parts for the front end, and all I could find was an Expedition, and I took some parts up there, and they did find some parts up there in Arkansas, but dang, I really needed that fender. Well, anyway, my buddy that does the vinyl wrap, I'm like, say bro, I see every color, everything, and he goes, man, they don't have that color in wrap. Maybe I'll check back with him. It's been probably, golly, 2 years since yeah, I'll call him. Yeah, just put a sticker on it. Why? You know, I mean, I guess I could get it painted, but I could just put a sticker on it, right? Woo! I'm telling you, this place is gonna be trash when I get done. Hey, but they told us to come on. We even said like, isn't it wet out there? And they placed this road. I mean, it's like cobblestone lakes. They placed it. Pretty cool. A lot of times people just spread it around and hopefully it gets all worked in. Oh, look at this. This is going to be awful when I get done. Easy, baby. Oh, easy. I knew it was going to slide off funny. I knew it was. Tell me what this is going to look like when I get done. What's that going to look like when I get done? I better try my best to stay out of it. This is the high part of the yard. Ain't that crazy? There's a lot of sand up here. You figured it in. Well, it's a lot of clay too, but it just sits right on top of this knoll. Is that what you want to call it? Yeah, they do this right here 4 or 5 more times. They have a road. Probably need a good culvert going. But hey, we've seen some worse places, haven't we? Well, I mean, it's gotten better since we've been here. I guess you can give them guys that credit. You know, they can't go to work if you can't get to the work. Let me find out what's going on with this. Usually everything out here is crushing, but he probably can't do it with his little Bobcat. I'll ask him what's up with the Honda. I think he wants me to bring a couple cars from up there. Alright, he don't see me. I'm gonna try to swing around him. He hears me. Hey, ¿qué pasó del coche de Honda? ¿Qué pasó del coche de Honda negro? It's from back here? Hang on, folks. I know I'm not speaking ugly Spanish. It happens. It's such a shock to some of these folks to hear a white boy speaking Spanish that they're going, what is he saying? Because they think that's, and it's all of a sudden you're like, dude, you hear me speaking Spanish, right? I'm sorry it's bad. And they're like, no, okay, yeah. Take that car and put it over here, would you please? Oh, I'm spinning more than I'm doing anything. Slipping and sliding. I hope you brought your cow milking boots. Get it. Might as well crush one of these stupid cars. I had 3 girlfriends with these stupid cars, and all of them were nuts, which is fine. I like a little crazy, but I swore it off. I'm done. Chicks and Mustangs, I'm done. So if you want to and you need to, whoa. Oh, bop. Alright, where are we on this one? Man, I guess I should have got them. I mean, can't really put the crusher too much further back. I guess I could have brought it closer in this way to try to stay out of this hole back here. But eventually this is probably going to look like that, and then we'll have a big giant hole. Bang. See, the ground's so soft. Now what I'm trying to do is like sort of like break the rotor or try to get in between the rotor and the wheel and just pry it off. All you end up doing is just crushing the wheel, but whatever. Y'all see the crusher's acting all on its own? It was supposed to, look, that wheel is trashed. Oh well. I'm about to just crush it. Hang on, I gotta fix this crusher. Stop. There we go, let's see what happens. Nope. I'm done fooling with that wheel. There. Y'all want a post to fail or cowboy to post to fail? There it is. It happens. It happens. I mean, you're using a, what is this, a 32,000 pound? No, it's heavier than that. You're using a loader to take a wheel off. Alright, where are we on this? Look, it's just a piece of, look, a sheet, it ain't nothing. Something I gotta go pick up. Alright. Let's settle down. Let's have a good start. Get this stupid Mustang out of the way. I'm trying to stay out of this big mud hole behind me and do everything on an angle, and it just ain't working out for me. I understand. I do understand that the angle of the dangle is highly perplexing. Sometimes, some of those little bitty yards we go to, I got to do it like that. What is going on? The machine died. I'm telling you, this morning, it didn't auto ride. I told 2 people, I go, listen to this thing. All right, turn the red light on. Here we go. All right, you ready? Come on, what's going on? No, don't turn the machine off. Gee. There you go. Easy. Hey, that one goes to the back. That one goes to the back. Total, y'all missed it. I guess I should have kept recording. Total hand and arm signal. So I'm wearing my ball cap today because I need a haircut. And he's like, he takes his hat off and shakes it, and he looks at me, and then he points, and then he does like both hands, like what's up? I need a haircut, homie. They said they're having a hard time with this van. But their little Bobcat, I can understand that. So he said they'll pull the motor out. He just needs me to knock the dash out of it. Uh-oh, about to have some more cowboy cars. I'm changing this deal. We gotta change this. Come on. We gotta change this. It moved on me. I need something to push up again. There it went. I should be able to get it with that. Yeah? I should be able to get it with that. You leave it here or you want me to carry it over there? Alright. Go ahead and tear that core support. Fun, fun, fun! in the mud. Y'all see these little bushes right here in the middle? Those are actually 2 stumps. And this summer you could completely see the stumps. They just cut them off early. Look how fast they done growed up. I did some tree limb, some bushwhacking at my place, and I might have went a little cowboy aggressive the first time around, but it's all gonna grow back, and some of it is already growing back. But I don't think anything actually stops growing all year long in Texas. I mean, when it comes to stuff like that, yeah, the leaves will fall and all that jazz, but not. I'm sure a lot of things keep growing. It don't get too cold. Hey, we gotta check out that dually. It's got all kinds. It's got the ground effect package, and hang on a second. I don't think so. No, wait. I gotta push the doors in. But look here, folks. We got a twofer. 2 Mustangs for 1 bundle. How about that? Get rid of some of that bad mojo up out of your house. Drive it home. Drive it home. Crush the car. There you go. All right. Hey, we'll just let it crush a couple times in manual mode or Aussie mode, and then we'll see if we get that remote working again. Kind of weird, it just died, and then when we fired it up, it just kept hanging up. Got a mind of its own. Who said these machines don't have a soul? Huh? Somehow I buy into it. I mean, yeah, it's just iron and hydraulic fluid, motor, turbo. No soul. That's the first time I've seen one marked up like the one I got, and the part I want and need is plumb whooped up. I don't know, like I said, maybe I can get my buddy to put a... Oh, look at there, we got good luck already. We got a butterfly kicking it with us. What's up? I tell you how nice it is here. I mean, it's t-shirt weather. It's a beautiful day. I think the wind's about to blow him off. Oh, you gotta watch the tree, not the butterfly. How do you explain that? Well, I was checking out a butterfly, and I wrecked the loader. Man, you better just lie. Just lie. You can't do that. You gotta have a better story than that. Follow the muddy brick road. I bet if they were to take and put some of that hole behind the crusher, it'd probably eat it. It'd probably just all... I mean, if it's holding water, it should hold rock or chunks of concrete. and I know there's no smell-o-vision invented yet, but sloshing through this mud, it's got a little smell to it. Yeah. Something's absolutely wrong with it. Well, first of all, what's wrong with it is there's a stupid Mustang inside of it. That's what's going down. Crush it, man. Got this stupid freaking Mustang mojo. Jeez. Stupid cars. Oh, we got a tire popper? Look at this. Stupid Mustang right there. Stupid Mustang right there. That white one with the K-frame sticking up. There's stupid Mustang. And then right over there behind it, let's see, right there behind it, there's another stupid Mustang. Well, I think we can fix that jump. At least they're here. At least they're here. Is this what they call crab apples, or kind of look like a plum? And y'all see them or not? No, here, let me snatch one off the tree limb. Oh, there it is. Can you see it? I don't know. A little bit closer. Turn the steering wheel. There you go. Turn it back the other way. Other way. You're gonna hit yourself in the face with a tree limb, bro. My daughter's got this app on her phone where she can like I've seen her do it with leaves or bugs, and it'll tell what it is. Like she'll hold it there, and all of a sudden it's pretty awesome. I don't know what those are. Trying to hit it on an angle. I'm trying to stay out of this hole. I know it's just going to be ruined. I mean, ruined by the time I get done. I think they got 3-4 loads out here. I know we're about an hour away from Dallas, but we wouldn't come out here for no 1 or 2 loads. Well, there's got to be at least 3. Well, folks, I need to plug in my phone. We'll get some more crushing done tomorrow. I'm gonna make videos. I got to. I want to. I need to. Y'all be careful, be kind. Thank ya.